This is the playground. It's an it's an exercise machine. And this guy, he's going up. He's going up. Come on. Oh, there you go. There she goes. Up. Up. Dad, come on. Up. She's almost there.
Alam mo ang inyong bahay?
Up. Oh, it's there. Almost there. Come on. You're almost at the top. You're almost at the top.
Parang bahay.
You're almost at the top.
Alam mo, parang sente itong inyong apartment.
Almost there.
Ha? Hindi apartment yung tititsugin kung titingnan mo sa labas.
She made it.
Yay.
You're one smart bird. Oh, oh. Uh-oh. She's going all the way to the top, Dad.
Ay, matagal na yan.
She's all the way at the top. Your friend's over here.
Grabe, ano? Grabe yan.
Where can we put this?
You wanna move here? I'm having difficulty. Come on. Come on. Move. Come on. There you go.
She's still afraid.
Where's your other friend?
Yan, maganda talaga.
How about here? You wanna perch up here?
She likes it there. Watch. Look. Her feet are all the way. Oh, there she goes. Oh. Uh-oh. Dad, hold this. I'll go get her.
Because it's slippery. It's all metal.
Dad, it's climbing up the curtain. Dad, get video of this. It's climbing up the curtain. I'm just doing this so I can make sure I can catch her if she falls. Oop. This guy's a good climber. I think he's half monkey.
Watch him. Watch him. Use the video. Come on.
He's still up there.
Okay, up there. There you go.
This guy's a good climber. I'll go get her. I think she's having a picnic.
I think he's angry.
I'm gonna put the camera over here. Watch this. This is gonna be funny.
Hindi na, nagising na talaga eh.
It's gonna.
Good job. Oh, they can stay here, you know why?
It's rubber.
Yeah.
Take a grip on it.
Siguro nasakitan na ito ng ano ko, ng buto.
Look at your friend. He's upstairs. Oh, are you okay?
Okay, ga sa martilyo eh.
Wanna move here?
June, kunin mo si Chef Gian, oh.
I got her.
Yeah.
Kunin mo si Gian, paduduin mo na.
For that.
Ayan, patanda kay daddy mo, dali. Baka matumba na ako.
Ooh, that's a bad view.
Bigyan mo naman yan, daddy. Oo, ayaw na talagang tulog, mas kini sayaw ko na. Ang daming tulog, oh. Sobre ilang oras yun.
Huh, look at that. They're way up here.
Ay. Hohoy. Ang ganda ng laruan mo na yan, ah. Yung dalawang ibon naman, very close naman sa kanya. Kilala na si Jessica. Jessica, hindi kami favorite nito. Na?
They can't eat that. That's sugar.
Ha?
They can't eat that. Oh,
It's also my favorite.
it's been 4 minutes now. Look at them. They're just wandering and looking
Ay,
over.
gusto nila dyan, ano?
Because this is like a playground for them. Look,
Alam mo, kung kukunin mo
go
yan,
anyway.
ayaw yung hulihin mo. Ganun mong kamay mo. Lilipat ka agad.
Jessica,
Yes?
turn that off and get a new shirt for Gia, please.
Okay, we'll continue this video right after some things. Okay, we'll just continue this video after some things, okay?